Na kwarganiria samangana maiya kurwase television yetu ya Amazing Voice of Victoria ndosia sole umurigeria hegatia yari twaire oborito ase chingaki chiga umu president wense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto amona abateneri ba para agotenenia umugiro ase nsemende kindiki kwegerera buna no arenga sogochangia gokea kwirigori iria maguta chingaki umugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati aikeranirie amagendero nemeroberi yo gochikorenta obuyase county ya Kisii. Ayo negatia yali atwa kwarganiri tuchuko bwatokera na gokoyarasira senchira yo wikiranu litranda grass mongar kura se studio kabiro yo kolenga ne chibichena mariogi akoroko nga Ishmael omwoyo Mugavana wa county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati rituko liarero nigo abaga kumerana hamo na babwatani chingaki babeka emeroberio nemekakati yo chekoenekia abuna ase amagendero nechira chiria alierere abagusicho sipingo chiare ko bakagochikirania Arati nigo nonyina bo ate abuna emeroberio oyebekire yo goikirania amagendero ase county ya Kisii anene asokoenekia abuna amagendero aliere tabamenyibe county ya Kisii nkobare gakoyirosa asinchira ere engia nonyina bo nigo ateba buna nigo aliange kuchia koenekia buna okubwaterana gati yabo amo na abanainchi na barandi ase county ya Kisii bachie koba bakoenekia buna okukina kwa amagendero nechire chonsi chabere chiweka norobotiro kurwa ase studio kabere nigo boko bwatwa buna rogochicha asinchire
kasongo wanda moyi kubuya ngwa na wanda
aigana se enyomba ya ETC kunyara kwa bake gutoka obugatagati bumuchie obosongo.
But we are stopping that nonsense. Lazima nanje manyenge kinkurundoro abana toiboire Yesu atarairana lazima nsenge utararenge ya krosi igoro noboke mbakaro na mabere lazima ubuko butoborenza.
Omugavana wa county ya Kisii Omuske Paul Simba Arati nigo anyara kobaga kugenderia imisangerekano iyo abiriko bakagutwara ase ensemo iyo ange eikingima abo ase abiriko bakakomena amone gatiye byombe okwanira amagendero arenya kobaga kubeka ensemo buna omugavana wa county ya Kisii nabo go eserikali ya county ya Kisii kwani kenga county ya Kisii ne chikunyara kobaki okina nabo yokoba county eko twara amagendero
ya gachiri ese koera chibije kine chingoro nade mu update ya chibije chinye chibichechi enedi quarter tuanya gachiri 500 million
Dero litanga nini ganya kabaka kumena amoni gati abasae anemono bamanyikante buna TikToka nabo igomara goba nya kabaka kumena amoni gati ya barandi kuru ase county ya Kisii abo banya kabaka kwanira emerobiro eserikali nya kabaka gukora nabo igo eri nya kabaka kubeka ensemo kwani kingane chikunyara kabaka goikane goche ase amatuko arebosio
lero gaga mbwate abarandi over 1000 nane lazima tukonyegesa ku yetu gakiko abekire ikono Jumapili lero beka mugaso botuko tyabantu bakore barale okuna kubo sababu
Omugavana Arati niganya kabaka kuria ireni gagendete kurwania obukurumi ase county ya Kisii na wateba chingaki ari abisi tagukunya kabaka wanjira obukurumi nya kabako kwanika imeye county eyo
tubuye bwanya sai na teni ende manyeyo no mwako gatatone temia kaiko emia kasaba ya digai by the time mkomogi na bomo mango go sisi niponya sai nkolega Yesusi ana nechi ba ingumo kuibera mono bobe chipara nesenge nywa nkoigwe mbeo okoleto muntu kwa mdebi abeka mara kwe para mwe obeka utachiro kagaiga ogenda mwinari obeka para matukabire yakore yakuri na introduce now they cross mde chibeka liko mnemo na ndabantu bako bakolega shoro I'm very clear n'abantu bakorokwa ababuraka
iganya ko gakororokana kogechwa kubwatikana amuno burai bwaringe asi county iga hotebanga abaringe abaraini ko batari kunyako bagucharia amagima yaba na inchi asikorinde babigite chinda cyabo mutwe
endo kya kabere na kya tageta iba muri Monspi town kya gata no ne chira chigasi baji oyati nemele no eko modisi egeti kiendege keliyegwe abantu bakwe doesn't care pamurwa beroni bo chikoliye pare ndako tiki tiyo lakini yakaniru aende bale 3 75 kilometers igonga ekerogo che cabinet nabo kubeka kende yose ekera bane school onye toko lika abana batigirete sana ibe nkiko iru mwana pake university
kurpoteria emesa ya mwana magyakuru ase enyumba ya ATC yukonya kwa kigutuka omoche obosongo iria neni gonkuru kwa Hespon Bosire
utigana bono no murikyo ito Esbon Bosire huna abwatia hetaro yo mugabana gwe county ya Kisii na magenderano na bwo gukwana nabasae ba TikTok amona abarandia togende asorobo turunde ngokoira baka asigeti ya Kisii primary elituko liarero ebengi ya Kingdom nigo yabage kubwaterana amone skuru ya Kisii primary asibasegeta abana chinjira cyo gusimeka imete nonyina bo abateneni bebengi yo nigo baruro kubuye gucia sabalimu abanene beje skuru kwa ene kyabuna ngutumeka bari bagaliri barasi skuru gosemia abana chinjira cyo gusimeka imete ase skuru nonyina kero barasi chinka achinga kichichirusa ubusimeki bwe emetene njira moyo kwegerera lire nabo ige bintu byetana ne mwanya bantu na gwetanga kurwa sobobe buli bokoretwa gwetera sogo tabo kwemete buno murakera nabo igo ogongoka kwa ogosereka kwe aliraba nebintu binde binge tigatobwatie amangana yo yabateneri yabo chinchire cyo gosemia nabo igo kinya ubusimeki wemeteyo
nase esukuru yoburuso ya Kisii primary bakubwatirana amoni bengi ya Kingdom Bank omugasubwit koria rero banyara ko bagusimika emete gwetania erubu eyamo buna enjira eyamo yokorenda amazingira
Steve Maraga ni deputy Kisii Comprehensive School, and today we've been doing the tree planting and we are proud that this exercise was sponsored by Kingdom Bank.
We are a team from Kingdom Bank, Kisii branch, and the reason why we are here today is because every year we normally undertake CSR activities, and one of the CSR activities we engage in is tree planting. So this year we felt it good to partner with Kisii Primary so that we can be able to plant trees. So today we were just planting 1,000 trees. I'm happy that we have planted them, and what has challenged me most is actually about this unit. You know, I know not most schools will find an autism unit.
Kwana ekero ekyo chinga kibanya ko bakurawa amono mwarimu omone Franklin Mitunda nabo igo Steve Moka uyore mo deputy ohe nabo igo umuteneneri Oscar Sasorgo ngoroya ngo banya ko bakwene kyanga ekinige tambukero ekia kyo kwene kyabuna ngolinda bale amazingira kubwatikana buna umurai bwense anyarte ko bagakurwa ogochika ogosimeka emete buna enjira eyamo yokolinda ibintu byetana ine mwanya bantu
Tree planting to mitigate the effects of climate change. Pia kulinda miti ambayo tumepatiwa tupande, kwa sababu baada ya kupanda miaka 2-3 hivi, hiyo miti ambayo tumepanda siku ya leo ndio itatusaidia kwa siku zijazo. Kwa kizazi ambacho kinaendelea kupanda miti kwa jina la wanafunzi, miti inawapatia changamoto sana katika maisha yao, kwa maana ina faida nyingi sana.
Trania abana balia babwate omochando ootsim buna enchira emo na yokubabeka na barabo korenda amazingira.
I'm a teacher in Kisii Primary, but in charge of autism unit. Autism unit, it's a unit that admits learners with disabilities. Yes, we have co-curricular activities and so many clubs. One of the very active clubs that we have that the autism unit participates actively is the Scouts.
abaibori banyako bakwaneke chingaki bakonyako bagutuma abana babo chikuru banyako bakubasemia banyako bagosoa ase ebyombe ao anemono buna kiria scouts buna inchira emo yogosoma nabo kumanya ibintu ebinge nabo igo ase ensemwende ngonyako bakuboria abasamaria abaya banyako bagwesoke nabo igo bari babwate omoyo bwo konya banyako bakonya aborokiwa anemono kubagurira ibintu biri bakonyako bagutumeka ase ensemo ya scouts
nyumbani. Labda hawajui kwamba scouts ni nini, scouts na guard guides ni nini. Tunawahimiza wanafunzi wanapokuja kwa shule kwa waruhusu wajiunge na scouting and guard guiding, kwa sababu watajifunza mambo ambayo yatawasaidia katika maisha ya sasa na maisha ya siku zijazo, inclusive. So waruhusu wanafunzi ama watoto wao wajiunge na scouts. Kitu ambacho tunaomba washikadau wanapopata fursa wawanunulie wana scout na guard guides uniform ili washiriki katika mashindano katika viwango vyote.
The county government of Kisii that agreed to put up one structure here for the ECD learners. So after it has been officially opened, they'll be given a class up there in the regular program, and they leave this for the autism unit.
Emesa ya mwana magia kuru ase skuru yuburusu ya Kisii Primary iriane ni gonkuru kwa Hesbon Bosire.
Abaremi kurwa ase kaunti ya Kisii amoneria ya Nyamira niko baburi go baene kinga chingaki bagokomera chimbego anene chindetere cha mugondo kuna chibando ngokomera bari emimeri biri byancheire amone chikambani chiri chisibire nabo igogoitabwa amone serikali ya iga sense ya Kenya ekiombe kimanyekane buna Baya East Africa niko gyatebire ogusimeka gwe chimbego chiri chimbe nigo kogenderete ekorenta asara nabo igorige saribe gochia asa barimi na gutanyora ngeria iribaganirie konyora nigo nonyera bokiarwa oboseme chingeki barenge okwana na barimi ase orogongo ruwe omuchi obosongo kwaene kebuna nkogenda bari kugura chimbege chukurwa ase chigwenerete na chiri chitabire amone serikali asukurigerirwa nigo basemia buna baria ande yake barasimeke chimbego chingi yana obakonyora ebiego binde buna chipika puchinga kibare asobokari bwabo bugusimeka ebimeri ebyo.
Etorega saurie promotion twabwate yachagete omotende kabere lakini promotion incha yarete last month tariki 30 bono ntwanyoro mobui sauri ntwabate chizawadi mbalimbali chitwarenge kwa baremi sauri yokogore mbego ya DK asedukera ngena barabo then baire scratch area code ba scratch then ba tomase enamba ya 1393 then banyora chi message una embegu bagora ne yobo mine alafu nainde banyora message yende yokomote una osoira se promotion yokobwa bono sainto bore no mobui oyobwa pickup eyere magayane nigarige tie ebitume bya seduke ya Enokem akagora chi packet ibere choka cha DK77 aga scratch then agatoma lakini nere bono mobui yoito nainde nigo twachageti esauri ntobwate chimbegu chiri chitari authorized chikose chiri counterfeited ase chiro okonyora buna baremi nigo bakogora chimbegu ase chiduka banyora buna chimbegu chiri gokoribia lakini go kweneki aso imeime kwanyora buna chimbegu chiri echinde chiro osiri na abantu barejareja then bagachirete chiro koro kibuna ne chiri chia company chiri authorized na KEFIS bono program weye nigo yatokonyire sana na nigo gokonyo murimi aso komanya buna embegu eri nde yonsi okogora seduka ne yobo maene bwate eshide ya konyora chimbegu chire feki ase chiro na inde ekarato anyore chimbegu chire feki emineti buna ntobwate crisis kiendagira bono na kie kitwachirete ne program ye tokaungana na abantu ba KEFIS so that tonyore abaremi abu banyore gento kere genuine ase emegondo yabo bagora chimbegu asaurie bakone ligutu ya bagora chimbegu chire idini situna KEFIS
samare tangoro kura file juma korukiango linjo mobowe pick up tena achete duka ya Enokem ngawole bidome ba DK777 nga scratch nga toma gochi 1393 nganyala kingo ake rwesimi ngatebuga ninche na wero mubugwe pick up baka mna banyendete irega egento na nyare gote byo muremi ka base ko siererie gento kara agorege kara chiko gore bituma o scratch no tona liko wini omanya embega agorire nengiyere nande ekere chi promotion ne chire abantu bachiteki ko ba serious egari ye na nyorire ndete ko ndanzi ko tumeka so korera taxi na bugore mesigo twatebire ngambia mono naende tokwendera ku encourage abalimi bonsi pi kero moko gore bituma tafadhali mo make sure nga moko gora from source engia naende mwa scratch mwa toma egere mwanyara ko ba shwanga ebitume birengire naende bipimire kulingana na kiwango kaliyo mulemi atakere gutwara.
Mo president wense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto chingaki arengeri tukulia kabere taro ase county gosorogongo rwa Mombasa ni gono nyina bo abakagwikera richi buna bagendi abapara elio kweneke bunanko butorari ligori rie diesel aiga sense ya Kenya elio magega kwenya liaretiriri murunganio na okurobeka no gotindi ase abana inchi no gosaria obonge kweneke gwanense gosirie gwetania bilioni 5 chingaki chokorobeka nokwo Ruto nigo akeya ligoririe diesel ya siringi 10 korwa ase chiri 10 chiana chwa ase ikiaeta nonyina bo nigo abakagoteba buna nigo awikera richiu maega yogokora chinkwana nigo nonyina basaba bakenya ko babatoera rwikiagera tariere o commentary goria maguta barengana ni chisegi chigendereta sense ya Iran ase rieto ria MFRH asense mo ya Hormuz asa maguta ya gwetera nonyina bo Ruto nigo abaga koeneke maga yokugwatera namo nabateneni abuna gukuru mugiro oyo orobereiri guchia kwa bagokorekananya eike ya mugeko yarenye serikali tiri guchia kunacha ishiringi emerongene na isano nemo.
Do not know how long this crisis will continue or whether prices may even rise further in the months ahead. We must act with care, responsibility, and sustainability in our mind. The government will continue engaging stakeholders across the transport sector to develop practical and sustainable solutions that protect livelihoods and support economic activity. I therefore ask all Kenyans to remain calm, patient, and united.
Today is very little, is to announce to all our members, especially our investors and drivers and conductors, that after these good deliberations we have had with His Excellency, we are saying that the strike that we had suspended has been called off fully, and we are hoping that this will take immediate effect. Everybody to return the vehicles on the road, and for the entire country to understand that I think there is an economy here to save, and we are all looking forward to His Excellency to ensure that he drives the agenda of
Omuokonyi umu president wense ya Kenya Professor Kithure Kindiki asense moyaye nigo egereire muno okugwatekana ne chinguma na boigo okugikeligwa ase ikega abuna chingaki atigetwe ase ekerogo kyogotenenera ense ya Kenya maga ya Ruto kogenda isiko ase ya Kazakhstan akokora na kolenta ubunchiria sense ya Kenya igasinyetwe kugayana na gukora lirobekano lia ugokina kwa maguta aiga sense ya Kenya kalengana Kindiki nigo abakagoteba buna no arengo yomo oyosonanete nabo igogokwanira igoro yengane yugwikira ligori lya maguta lya baligokeiwa numurai wense asiritukulia lero nigo abana inchi anene abana siasa iga sense bamomoche Kindiki buna nigo ale omokonyo mu president ye ege karagusu gose puppet uyo ande hakonga bune tori etali goikerania kende gyonse na nguru chinda so gukwana magega yumurai yata iyo asense Kindiki niga kana mangana yimono na bateba na bwate chinguru choko kole mermeria kuno mokonyo mu president
ya nchi. Sasa nimeona wale wameenda kuandika mambo hapo ya bure ati sasa ati fireman ako wapi, ati sijui kulikuwa na mkutano ya mawaziri hatukuona fireman, ni kama fireman, sijui namna hii, sijui yako hivi. Unajua unajua hao jamaa hawajui ya kwamba uongozi sio kifua. Uongozi ni utaratibu, na uongozi ni kufanya kazi na viongozi wale wengine. Ndio unaona rais ako na naibu wa rais, ako na mawaziri, ako na ma-PS, ako na watu ya parastato, ako na civil servants, ako na kila mtu, mpaka wananchi wale anahitaji wamsaidie ndiye aendeshe hii nchi mbele. Hawezi fanya peke yake. Sasa nyinyi, wewe waziri, usijali, hiyo ni fitina tumezoea. Unajua hata hawajui ya kwamba mimi ndio niliwatuma mkafanya hiyo mkutano. Rais aliniambia ya kwamba tafuta mawaziri na uwapatie hizi amri, na mimi nikafanya hivyo. Vile hawajui, tulikuwa na mkutano yetu kabla mkuwe na mkutano yenu. Ni vile hatukwenda kutangaza. Sasa kwenda kusema pale ati deputy president aje kutana na wale wanauza mafuta. Tuko na waziri wa kawi, tuko na waziri wa hazina wa taifa, tuko na waziri wa usalama wa taifa, tuko na waziri, all the departments, and we already had our own meeting. Anyway, wacha nisisumbuane na hao watu. Na mimi silaumu magazeti. Unajua hao magazeti walikuwa wamechochewa na watu wengine hapo.
Abawakiri baria bakumwegerera oyo kabero mukonyo mu president ande boigo murabe kyama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua osio gwikagambiro litukuria rero ni go baba komoche committee ya Senate asugutumeka chinchira chitaringe chingia kumwagoria kurwa ase kirogo Gachagua buno mukonyo mu president nonyina baba wakiri bae bakorawa nande wa muhoro ara yabuni go baba bagoteba buna aba Senate gose committee ya Senate tiga betege gusangiria maoni uya na amaoni ayo nigo atabwate chinchira charinge chindonge choko ikereri chiuri okumurusia ase ekirugo nonyina boni go bagania bono Gachagua achie ko bagagwaka no shilingi chimilioni 53 onye ekinekyo kegochia goita oguna na togete gosarusiti gwase obisi maminja nelichiko
decisions rational review of evidence. I listened to submissions from one of the councils the other day, and we were told that 281 members of parliament voted for this motion. What I find interesting in that submission is that you are given the impression of how overwhelming the support was for the motion. But there's something that you're not being told. That never before has Parliament has such numbers when it comes to performing their primary function, which is legislation. My lady, my lords, I find it interesting that 5 times the public participation bill has failed.
The provision of Article 144 and Article 145 relating to the removal of the deputy president shall apply, with the necessary modifications to the removal of the deputy president. This modification, this application of Article 144 and Article 145 had to suffer modification. The person who was to modify was Parliament. Parliament as defined under Article 93 of the Constitution. They could not avoid and or evade that duty. To the extent, therefore, that the commencement of the impeachment process was initiated by the Senate pursuant to the wrong article of the Constitution, Your Lordship, then this cannot be said.
Oyo tenenerete aba waziri bonsi Musalia Mudavadi haiga sense ya Kenya bono niga kuleira ba Kenya magega yoko keya ligoli asa maguta bono bachigo siba emechibi ase chinda ekyagara uchumi yense ya Kenya bono niye guche kwa bembe mono guche asa matukari mutwe nigo Mudavadi atebire buna chinjira enserigereretie nawe igo okugania gukuna chinsemo chiengencho chia serikali nige rachikore ntoboko ng'obonene obwatekana nenchira bagenderete kwimurungania buna nigo bachandegete kurinde ebintu by'engencho bibe bigotuguterware nigo Musalia Mudavadi asabira abakenya koba batoeru nabo igo kweneke buna chinga kyo bokongu gochigocha babe tayari kwarigania obokongu obwo natibabaisa komochia eserikali.
Number of global shocks first. There was a COVID shock. It shook the whole world. Then there was the Ukraine-Russian conflict at the beginning. Again, another shock, with the impact and implication filtering through global economies. And forcing realignment of funding by various countries to critical institutions, whether multilateral or those that are involved in aspects of research, like yourselves. And then more recently, up to now, we are still experiencing is the Middle East crisis. That's perhaps the third shock. Successive shocks, global shocks to humanity. And one thing that comes out is that we as a nation or as a people must realize that it cannot be business as usual. This is where your skills, your innovations must be brought to bear so that alternative solutions can quickly be made available to citizens, particularly those from developing countries like us. The reality is that the speed and flexibility at which your innovation can bring to bear is going to be very, very important in helping communities adjust to these global shocks. There has to be some accelerated process. Research can be painstaking, can take years, but nevertheless, it also calls for some innovative ways of trying to figure out how to accelerate the delivery of your
Muligerio habwe television ya Amazing Voice of Italy manga bono kurwa sorwa turu rwa Musalia Mudavadi oteneta waziri wansi buna tolinge chinda onye kwenye tokuragira buna chitigere bono gebeteretie tobe tokuria bike egere na litura konye kasinge nchwa matukari mutu kokutogochia Lieutenant Douglas Mongara kurwa studio kamera yako kuna Ishmael Omoyo kare konde binga Mongara ono ya beire bobe ono nkike turaje tuwesi bene chingini wesenembe goye egere na litutakwi na kwa niri buligerio buya kendera kubwatia emiroberiende tigarete buna twabwatana na Ishmael Omoyo nchiri Lieutenant Douglas Mongara twara buligerio buya